Hey foodies, today on She Cooks It All we are going to cook this delicious salted fish in eggplant sauce. This one, guys, oh my goodness, stick around and let's cook. To start off, guys, your salted fish need to be soaked overnight and you need to be changing the water maybe 2 to 3 times because you have to remove all those excess salt. Next day here, I'm just descaling the fish and cleaning it thoroughly, and then place the fish on a paper towel to absorb any excess water or liquid. Once I do that, I place the fish on the side on a dry plate, and then I'm going to go ahead and prep the rest of the ingredients. The ingredient that I chose to use in this particular recipe is just some shallots, aubergine, and I have leek, garlic, bay leaf, and a scotch bonnet in there. Okay, guys, so let's quickly slice our shallot, and I'm just showing you how I chose to slice this because I somehow have how I would like to slice something depending on the recipe. So here's just how I chose to slice the shallot. Okay, guys. Okay, once all is sliced, all the ingredients are ready, let's get to the stove and cook. To cook, heat up a little bit of oil on a non-stick pan and then on a medium to high heat. We are going to saute our fish for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until they're nice and golden brown. Don't overcrowd your fish. So I'm going to do this in 2 stages because I have quite a lot of pieces and my pan is not big enough. So fry this on a medium to high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until they're nice and golden brown, okay? Once they're brown, remove them from the oil, put them on a plate and set aside. You are going to repeat this same process until all your fish are nice and fried, okay, guys? So while the fish is frying on the side, we are going to slice our aubergine. I like to slice this when I'm about to cook it because I don't want it to start changing color and all that good stuff. Okay, guys, so slice it when you're just ready to cook. So I like this aubergine to be like thick square kind of shape in my sauce. That's why I'm showing you again how I slice them, but you can slice them how you wish. But in this particular, the idea I have in mind, I needed to slice them like this, thick, leave skin on and all that good stuff. Once it's all nice sliced, place them in a big bowl because we are going to sprinkle this with flour because we are also going to saute this, and the flour help the aubergine not to absorb the oil. Okay, sprinkle with flour, give it a good shake, make sure each part is covered with flour. At this stage, our fish was finished frying, so we are going to fry these aubergine slices in the same oil. Place them skin side down first, and then we are also going to fry this until they are nice and brown on each side. Again, it took about 2 to 3 minutes on each side here, and we are using medium to high heat, okay? Once they're nice and brown like this, again, remove them from the oil, place them on on another plate and just set them aside. Can you see, guys, the oil is still in my pan because aubergine can absorb oil. Oh my goodness. But the oil is still there, so that is the secret to the flour. Okay, guys? At this stage, they are ready to eat, guys. I love aubergine. I don't know about you. Fried aubergine, woo! Okay, now to cook now, we are going to heat up a little bit of oil on the pan and we are going to saute our onions. I'm using shallot, but you can use any onion. So here we have the onion and bay leaf. We're going to saute this just for about a minute or so until they're nice and soft. In come in our leek and we are going to continue saute this for another minute or so, just until they start sweating and releasing their aroma. You don't want to brown this, okay, guys? We just simply shallow frying it, if that's the word, I don't know. Anyway, we're going to add in some minced garlic. I will have everything mentioned down in the description, guys, so check that out. We are going to add in the garlic and saute for another 30 seconds to a minute, again, just until they release their aroma, guys. Okay, after this, we are going to go ahead and season this. I like to use a non-salted cube because, with salted fish, you never know. So you don't want this to be an over salted dish that you cannot eat. So add in your seasoning with about 1 cup of hot water to help that melt quickly. And once it starts melting, I'm just going to give this everything a good mix so that everything is kind of incorporated. After that, we are going now to return in our fish and our aubergine, guys. If you are watching up until this time, don't forget to give us a like, comment down below what you're thinking so far, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Okay, I'm trying to come back consistency with you guys, so don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so our fish aubergine are in. I added in some chilies, another cup of hot water. Water is up to you how soupy you like your fish. Cover, simmer this for about 15 minutes or 20, but mine was 15 minutes later. Check this out, guys. Ooh, the aroma of this dish, this was amazing. I went ahead and served this with kwanga, which is a fermented cassava bread. But I don't know about you. Tell me down in the comment below, what will you serve this delicacy with, guys? Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.